Hey everyone, welcome back. This is going to be a woodworking part 2, just because I know you said, hey Drew, what is this thing right here? It doesn't look like the picture, right? What I was trying to do was I combined this picture with the other picture, which has the rounded parts, and I kind of showed you a way to make this project, right? But just to be precise, let's go ahead and replicate what we have here and show you another way of how you can do woodworking. Okay, so we're going to leave our table there and we're going to start our sketch, and over there it looks like there's 8, so we're going to try an octagon, not a hexagon, an octagon. So we're going to make 8 here, and we're going to move this thing down just like we did with the circle last time, but let's go ahead and keep our 32 inches, and we need to scale this. Let's do by 2, and then we go to tools, offset, let's do 2 inches, and same thing here, by 2 inches. All right, and now we need to draw our lines here for this one, so we're just going to do 1 and then copy it over, because otherwise you would have to do all 8, but we could just cheat and do 1 and then just copy, since we have copy tools. And when you're in sketch mode, you can kind of work through objects, so you don't always have to do section view, but in this case what we can do is tools, loft, and we get this shape to that shape. And this is a slightly different approach, and I don't always like this approach. Like, if you remember in the last video, I went ahead and I extruded this piece and then I rotated it, right? If you loft, you get not exact dimensions. You can obviously sometimes adjust, but depending on the shape that you have, that's not always an option. That's why I like the other one better. So again, just for kicks, we're gonna change the color here, and simply we can either transform, move, rotate this and copy it, or we can use the pattern tool and we can do it around the circle up top here, since we have that, and we can just go around. We need 8 of these rotated at 360 degrees, and that always subtracts the one that's over here. So once we have that in place, we click done, and we have a table exactly like the one up here. Okay, again, in the last video I combined the two and showed you a method to do it. In this video I show you this specifically, so now you know how to do both ways. And if you guys have any more questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments. But I hope you guys learned something new. If not, I hope you still enjoyed following along. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
Here at Shapr3D, our goal is to inspire and empower you to create your own amazing projects. Please support our work so that we can keep doing it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to see more.